Hello guys, welcome to another video tutorial by me, and this video I'll be showing you how to do the clipping marks in Photoshop. Alright, now assuming you have your image and you want to put it into a shape, any shape of your choice. Let's assume we're going to be using a circle. I'll just go ahead, draw my circle. Alright, and I'll just give it a color of, let's say, gray, and turn up my stroke for now. Alright, so the trick here is to make sure that your image is directly above the circle or the shape on your layers panel. So just right click on the image and select create clipping marks, and the image goes into the circle. And once that has happened, while the image is selected on layers panel, just go ahead and move it around to get what you want. Alright, and today I'm going to give you a bonus tip, how to have a head pop out from the circle in Photoshop. Alright, so for this you need your image and then your shape. So let's assume I'm going to be using a circle as well. So here's my circle. I'm just going to turn off the stroke and then just give myself a feel of, something like that. Alright, then I'll need my image. I'll just go ahead and bring in my image. Alright, I'll place the image. Control T, I'll just reduce it. Yeah, something like that, just as you want it to be on your circle. Okay, so let's assume something like this. Then press enter. So I'll have to duplicate the image. So I have two copies now, 1, 2. Alright, the first copy, I'll turn off the top copy and then clip the first copy as the one I brought in first. I'll just clip it into the circle, create clipping marks, and turn on the second one. Then when I turn it on, I'm going to press Ctrl and then click on the thumbnail so that you have it selected. Then I'll pick my eraser tool and just delete. Okay, I need to rasterize this, so just go ahead and rasterize it first. Rasterize or convert to smart object, any of them will work. Then now that it's rasterized, my eraser tool is going to work. I'll just delete the base, the bottom side of the image like that, and when I'm done, you can see that it's totally white or not there anymore. Just hit Ctrl D, and here you have it. You have a head pop out from your image. This can be used in different kind of instances. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.